So in this video, I want to be showing you documenting sculptures and 3D works, a 360-degree using GIF animation. So to create a GIF animation, you go to Photoshop, and then you go to Scripts, and then from Scripts, go to Load File in Stacks, then Browse, and look for the images that you wanted to animate that you've taken a photo of. So earlier on, I've taken a photo shoot of the object. I secured my camera on a tripod, my cell phone camera, or you can tape it on a chair, something solid. And what I did is I take a photograph of the object, moving it little by little to create a 360-degree perspective. So I'm just highlighting all of the images, and they should be numbered. So I just selected them, I sorted them by name, and press OK. And you can see they are slowly uploading onto your Photoshop layers, and they're all there, and they should be stacked in numerical order. So just click on the file, the animation file, and right here I'm going to change into 0.1 seconds, and I'm going to take a snapshot with that square. I'm going to make it invisible, take the next snapshot. So here what I'm doing is I'm actually creating a snapshot of each of the frame just simply by clicking on the eyeball icon, by making each layer disappear, then each layer behind it would reappear, and by clicking on the square with an arrow, you're basically just taking a photo screenshot of each movement. So I'm just making sure that all of the files are uploaded one by one, and this is creating basically the little clips. So when it plays, you're gonna see the actual object rotate, and that's why it's best to secure your camera in a tripod or some sort of a makeshift tripod while you're moving the object and taking a snapshot every single time you move the object slightly, making sure that you're turning the object into a complete 360-degree, so you see every single perspective of the object. Here we go. So just a few more. Here we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight. I'm going to just put that in the garbage, last one, because it repeats itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight all of it, making sure that, okay, everything's here. Let me try and play it. If it's moving the right speed that I want. It is. Now I'm going to go to Export, Save for Web Legacy. It takes time as well, depending on how many frames you're actually using to create your GIF animation file. And I try to take a photo of as much frames because I want how the object is turning to turn smoothly. So everything's just basically going to stay. I'm just going to change the image size. This is too huge, and it's going to be hard to download. So I'm just going to lower it to 1,000. Usually it's between 600 to 1,000, and I'm just going to press save. And usually it takes a while depending on, again, how many frames you're using. So you just want to title your work. Just going to title it 360 degrees, depending how you want to title it. Could be your full name with the title of the work, that's fine too. And I'm just going to save it on my desktop, and there you go. And if I click on this, you can see that I actually have the object turning in 360 degree, and that's how you can also present sculptural pieces to see all perspectives. Thank you for watching, and I hope that will help you in how to present and document your 3D sculptures.